ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು
Dr. Sandeep.
ಸಂದೀಪನ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹೌ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್?
Sir, I am 37 years.
37 years. So you tell me your problem because of the high hemoglobin.
Yes.
Multiple problems were
Yes,
there.
sir. Actually, I was facing this blood. What I can say, like it was blood thinning. I had to go. Doctor suggested me to undergo a test for remedy for blood thinning. So I before going for that treatment, I thought of consulting you, sir. So when I came here, you provided me with a very good solution, sir. That was going for this cardiovascular care and renal care. So that worked out very well for me, sir. Within 10 days, I got a very good result, sir. And now I'm feeling normal, sir. So that's what I wanted to consult you with. This regarding
So in the
this.
blood report also now it has...
Yes, sir. Everything is normal, sir. Everything. Only thing is I have to reduce weight.
Right.
Yes.
So earlier how much hemoglobin was there when you had the problem?
I did not know that.
Remember that. Right. Since how long this problem was prevailing
It
for you?
started from last 6 months, sir.
6 months.
And
Okay.
when I came here, the problem got cured within 10 days, sir.
What are all the problem was there?
Numbness on the left hand, sir. And also a little bit of heart pain, like chest
Chest pain.
Now completely everything is reduced, sir, and I am feeling more active, and I was also having some headache and all every day, but now completely I don't have headache even on a single day basis.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.